How to enable or disable task scheduler history in Windows. Task automation in Windows is powerful, but managing it doesn't have to be complicated. Today, we'll walk through how to enable or disable task scheduler history to help you balance performance with visibility. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why task scheduler history matters. Task Scheduler allows users and administrators to automate updates, backups, scripts, and application launches. Its history feature records detailed logs of every action, but it's disabled by default to conserve system resources. Enabling this feature helps with diagnostics, auditing, and compliance, while disabling it can reduce system overhead and storage use. Understanding both sides helps you choose the right approach for your environment. How to enable or disable task history. First, you can use the Task Scheduler GUI. Open Task Scheduler with tasks.chd.msc. Right-click Task Scheduler Local and select Enable All Tasks History or Disable All Tasks History. This provides a quick visual confirmation. Next, the Event Viewer method. Open Event Viewer with eventvwr.msc. Navigate to Applications and Services Logs, Microsoft, Windows, Task Scheduler, Operational. Right-click Operational, then enable or disable the log. This is ideal for IT pros who need deeper visibility. Finally, PowerShell offers a scriptable option. Run PowerShell as administrator and use this approach supports automation and remote management across multiple systems. Important considerations before enabling history. Enabling task history takes effect immediately and persists across reboots. However, logs can grow quickly, impacting disk space and performance. For enterprise systems, configure a retention policy in Event Viewer to control log size and archiving. Also, remember that logs may expose sensitive activity, so restrict access accordingly. For more information, check out our official blog post on enabling and disabling task scheduler history in Windows, linked in the description below.